current climate crisis is pushing various sectors to adapt and innovate, including the world of vocational education. Efforts to reduce emissions are not enough to be carried out by large industries alone. The education sector must also participate. With the potential human resource they have, education institutions have a great opportunity to create real database solutions. One way is to utilize relevant and applicable digital technology.
I am Deviana Putri Alamanda, a public sector accounting student.
And I am Siti Anissa, a public sector accounting student.
We are from State Polytechnic of Jember.
Climate change is an urgent global issue and demands a collective response from all countries. The impact is not limited to environmental degradation, but also threatens food security, energy, and community welfare. As a developing country with high biodiversity potential, Indonesia has a big responsibility in mitigating climate change.
This commitment is realized to the sufficient of government interest visually defined contribution to the UNFCCC of September 2022. In this document, Indonesia increased its greenhouse gas emission reduction target to 31.89%, 43.20% traditionally in 2016, and recently step is part of the national strategy to achieve net zero emission in 2060 or sooner.
The forestry and energy sectors are indeed the main contributors to emission, but the education sector, especially vocational education, has a strategic role in producing human research who understand sustainability principles, carbon mitigation technology, and environmental data management. Teaching Factory, or TEFA, presents as a learning model that integrates the world of vocational education with industrial practice. Ministry of Education and Culture 2020.
At Jember State Polytechnic, TEFA Coffee has become an agro-industry unit that operates commercially. However, this unit does not yet have a digitalized and standardized carbon emission reporting system. The manual recording process makes it difficult to evaluate sustainability and make database decisions. In fact, reporting carbon emission is an important part of sustainable production chain, and is a main element in assessment environmental, social, and governance organization.
Here we present WASTU, web-based application for sustainable tracking of carbon usage, a digital force tracking carbon emission management
In the coffee product processing teaching factory of Polyj.
towards a sustainable future.
The name Wastu is taken from Sanskrit, which means order or harmony. This name reflects the application vision as a carbon reporting system that is structured and aligned with sustainability values in vocational education and industry.
Responding to this need, WASTU, web-based application for sustainable tracking of carbon usage, a web-based application designed to report and monitor carbon emissions from coffee production activities at TEFA Coffee. This application uses an approach life cycle assessment and refers to 2006 IPCC guidelines and regulations from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry.
Automatic calculation of carbon dioxide equivalent emission refers the use of software or system to instantly convert various greenhouse gas emission, such as methane or nitrous oxide, into their carbon dioxide equivalent CO2e based on their global warming potential. This allows for easier comparison and assessment of total environmental impact.
The emission zone dashboard is a visual tool that displays emission level in different zones using color codes. Green for low, yellow for moderate, red for high emission. It helps users quickly identify areas with higher environmental impact for better monitoring and decision making.
Smart import in PDF and Excel format means the ability of the system of software to generate and save data or analyze results as a downloadable file with PDF and Excel format, making it easier to save, print, further process the information. Recommendation for action based on ESG principle refer to suggest steps or stakes that align environmental, social, and governance standards to help organizations operate more sustainability, ethicality, and responsibility. This initiative aims to improve long-term performance and stakeholder trust. WASTU's main advantage lies with roles as a contextual vocational learning medium. Students not only learn sustainability theory, but are also actively involved in a carbon reporting system that can be adapted in industry real life.
WASTU development was carried out through a teaching factory-based project approach, which consists of 5 main stages.
1. Identify needs took a survey of Tefa coffee production activities. Identifying needs took a survey of Tefa coffee production activities involved collecting data from staff, students, and stakeholders involved in the teaching factory at Tefa. The goal is to understand current challenges, resource limitation, and areas for improvement in the coffee production process. The survey helped in making informed decisions to enhance productivity, training quality, and operational efficiency.
Literature study of carbon reporting standard from the IPCC and KLHK. A literature study of carbon reporting standard from the IPCC, or Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, and KLHK, or Indonesian Ministry of Environment and Forestry, involves reviewing and analyzing the guidelines, frameworks that organizations provide for reporting carbon emission. The IPCC offers global standard for measuring and reducing greenhouse gases, while KLHK provides specific regulation and guidelines tailored to Indonesian context.
User-friendly cloud-based system design focus on creating an easy-to-use intuitive platform that operate on cloud infrastructure. It involves designing interface and features that are accessible to users with varying levels of technical knowledge. The system should ensure seamless performance, scalability, and security while providing a smooth and engaging the user experience.
Application implementation using Laravel and MySQL. Application implementation using Laravel and MySQL involves developing a web application with Laravel. A PHP framework handles the backend logic, routing, and user authentication, while MySQL is used the database to store and manage data. Application implementation using Laravel and MySQL. Application implementation using Laravel and MySQL involves developing a web application with Laravel. A PHP framework handles the backend logic, routing, and user authentication, while MySQL is used the database to store and manage data.
Testing and validating the application by students in the Tefa Coffee environment involved having students actively use and access the application within the context of the coffee production activities. This process ensures that the system meets the operational needs functionally correctly and address real-world challenges.
Implementation of WASTU is expected to produce the following real impacts: digitize Tefa Coffee's carbon emission reporting efficiently and accurately, active involvement of students in the environmental reporting system, increasing the competency of vocational students in the ESG field, contribution to achieving SDG 4, quality education, SDG 12, sustainable production and consumption, and SDG 13, tackling climate change.
WASTU is not just a carbon emission reporting tool, but an innovative, conceptual learning media. This application allows vocational students to be directly involved in the process of measuring and managing carbon emissions, making them the main actors in carbon accounting and agent of sustainability transformation. Thus, WASTU is a real contribution of vocational education to the global agenda for climate, the change mitigation, and sustainable development.
Thanks for your attention. I am Deviana Putri Alamanda.
And I am Siti Anissa.
Gracias, arigatou gozaimasu.